In this video, I'm gonna show you how to cut a video in Premiere Pro. So there are actually two ways to cut a video in Premiere Pro. The first one is by clicking on this razor tool icon right here, or by clicking on C. Now, you'll be able to select this part or this part, and then you hit on V or select this icon right here, and then select your clip that you want to delete, and then hit delete key. Now in here, select on any part of this area, and now that it's highlighted, hit the delete key to combine the two clips. Now it will look like this. So now that you have the first part ready, or the first way to do it, the second way to do it is by using a keybind, and mine is binded to the letter Z of the keyboard. So in here, I just hold, let's say I'm holding like this, I click on Z, and I click on Z. So it's actually way faster, and for you to do this, you'll need to click on Edit on the upper left, and Keyboard Shortcuts, and from here, you'll need to search Add Edit. Add Edit. And then, now that you'll see that it's actually selected here for Z, but let's say for example you don't like Z, you like it at the letter C. So you can just click in here and click C. And you can click OK. That's about it. Thank you all for watching this video.